Kwaso.
Kwaso.
Me say Kwaso.
And I'm saying Kwaso.
Kwaso is Kwaso. Again a do ba ha.
Me far from.
Nananum. Obama nananum go from beti ya yegu so te.
Sam as me far from my did.
No se dey na do be pie ha.
Nana. Did come what na see.
DL News.
Yamamu akwaba efi tumirike. Nesha of Facebook no so DLFM 106.9. Naka se bon home for any videos awodo ni na no. Wunya bi na wonhwa afen so mrese wadwenkyere no. Ye bagi nyina kenkan e wo Facebook no so e de amam. Ya shaka se bon se yen hya se em. Emfemfro so fo abedi akira. Ghana man penen abone din so no enkwankwa afisam so. Ne den e de Ebenezer okrete telabi. Wakasa de adesre Eddie ato Ghana Desha. Wadama kasa chirem say, oh, Inspector General of Police, IGP, Dr. Jaja Kufu Dampare. Chirem say, oh, Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama de said they were pay. Oh, Nansempo, and you may follow the one on your palm on you or muddy and no way. IGP, what you mutania betten tempo ye pempa. Where they are better than the funo on cremlem, or muchim or ya dempo, obeko. Openikas no chim say Ghana for Munya Botre. Munya botra kra kasana dosrodo. O chire me sem. Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama. Ono ene onim de oye ne senti. Ya to aba de ma na wiem. Oguso a opa no mpanimfo no bebu o man ne senti no. Munya botra boko na monum suo. Emfa twen ope. Ye nyina nim se IGP abodwumade na nanso no Ghana man penin kuto. Ene betu message na ye. Atena se IGP Dr. Jaja Kufu Dampare no. Obato akoso ne na ya adwuma. Anaso beje kwa kope bia kwa kwatena ne senti sansense nchuna so awdo nam Ghana mountain so a ayanka san ho bebre se ne IGP oko anasa oba oko anasa oba no o chirem se munya botre boko ofiri se Ghana man pani ne betimi asigina yes IGP obetena anasa obekom opani aya Beniza aka se chirem se endrada okopia ma se bedwam appointment committee nanim amtoto na ebisa ne se opani wanka za otena se na obu nkonta ehwa IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare and modern one uhuni saying, if you treat my Ghana man paying that and not dang go for the body day, shall you, my dear, what do you know? And those who say, over two or man penny for. But when I quenya catch and say, Uncle Madia Emma a IGP. Dr. George Akufu Dampare, on Tongo Suma Juma. As about 2 man penny for Sanka, 1 pound and 9. I don't chim so penny for Munyabo today. Where the Munyabo Trakra, or Chilema. Sanamo 2 dear, crew away dear Switzerland. Oh, to men, I send you a move to the council. Debbie. Ghana man penning John Dramani Mahama pet. Elevate message na ye. Actually, we say IGP. Sao Beko, and I saw on consenti, Yenum so fan or penny, heard him say. Ghana man penning John Dramani Mahama message na ye, Najano Bessie and Subabwa Ghana. Or Mano, Etmetum Pong. Ebenezer, or Ketela bidding same say, Edu and Radama.
Given the sterling leadership record of the IGP within the period of his tenure and the reforms he has brought to improving the police service, would you advise that in line with maintaining security sector governance integrity and to promote professionalism, that he is maintained to full term to continue the good work he's doing for Mother Ghana?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, as I said, I wish I had that authority, but I don't have. And the appointing authority may be looking at other things other than what you think is the case. I don't know whether this is a very, good platform for me to give you a particular example. Sometimes you think you are doing your best as a football player, but your coach will substitute you. What he sees outside, sitting on the bench, is different from what is happening on the field. What you see on the field. So let us leave it to the president, the appointing authority, to decide.
Any out your software bed, Okwa efisem so. Neden ed Ebenezer okrete telebi nene na otiye
Yento akase ebone so na ye danjua eya fashion no course wo pipila ewo eya ojefo bosom ni de to so aduonu mienu nim ana omo ka biewom eye nananema hemfo ene omo wa aban mu ede nsem etudwa ede fa eye kusasi ni mamprusi for so momode ana omo masumdue embra eye oman we sanse ya de akoboko ne walewala eye menteme ho aso de fa ho aye ahinsie ho nsem no ekoso ye ho no man tokwa kese pa ene ekoso ha adwinye papa esanse santokwa ya de sha ase wo November bosuminum ne eye afempi mienu ne aduonu ba kun ma chese no nam suma nipa bebre na ahwe omokra bebre na so no majapade asase ya chese utu kwan kra de afa eye boligatanga tamale highway ni so na no so adane asemfoforo na chese ntokwa na yenku na chese wo kan so ekita ono ne abomode ane adija edi atum ana omo chese ya de ha adwinye esanse ache adenti na wasa moko ntokwa ebedu eye afempi mienu ne aduonunum na muguso eku esanse nya de ebua pa eno nam so ma ye omo ka biewom no ani penifo ho no bomodin ade ye curfew ebeto ho no ma no so e manipa no entimi nyo madwuma sanso no muntimi omutimi embo omombra sane esesanse se wo bia shebo se bosesa enwo so obi apie into kopia na chese ho abasem na soldiers fo so atu egu so eno nam so sa untimi mbo wa bra bosane open na ha adwinye papa inte wa bra fashion no ekoso na ye naba danzo aye John Tigo no tosu mienu na ye eye ohen e de makpikpira ana di tudwa so sromara eja aso wo honom no mbomodia no muntimi ensi ano kwan esanse eye obakusasi ni mampru ya de antokwa no ha adwinye pa eye ethnic groups no wo manima fa na so no eye de oha kese pa e de ebrewom na ohwa afashe ya de omudi e wo eye bimoba communities na no wo Ghana eye Togo Burkina Faso any nkura bimben wom ni na mo chese mudi afahye e de kire asumdue ene nkabom into mudi afahye de na mo sere se ahunsie ho ntokwa no omomomode anom fa embra awie.
We believe that we have a unique position to dialogue between the overlord of society and the overlord of man. Why? Because they are locked up in their homes. 3 years ago, here I said we were not aligned, but you don't expect my enemy to be your enemy. In as much as I respect Mazura Aburago II, the same way Napandurichi who respect the overlord of Mamluku as his overlord. Now we are 2 sons, 3 sons, but we are one people. Gimovers have been locked up in this thing. We are being killed. Our businesses are getting down. We don't know. So everybody or every car that is moving to the Koshar area, that is a comfortant. If they block that road and we have no way of coming, it will hurt us more. And our people will not have any business to do. As we speak, there are lots of people who cannot even come home because of this conflict between Kusas and Mamas. Let us appeal to you, Nhyiraba. Let us respect each other's jurisdiction and then take it from there.
Eni ya uti ye eye naba danzu eye John Tigo no tosu mienu ono ye ohen e de makpikpira no wie ye na Upper East Regional Minister ye Donatus Akamugri Atanga enso di tuja eche se eye ade aban ebo ne homodin asent tokwa ekoso wo ho no ombetimi esi ano kwan esanse ye ade ha adwinye e wo man ni mu pa.
As a government, we do understand the challenges you are confronted with on daily basis. Key among which is the Boko conflict. Let me assure you of the efforts being made by the government to orderly and peacefully resolve the Boko conflict, but it requires the support and cooperation of all stakeholders. Let us therefore exercise restraint and support government efforts in that regard by giving peace a chance, without which we cannot develop as a people. We do also appreciate community initiatives such as this, which bring people together for the purpose of development. On this note, I wish to commend the chief and people for the invitation extended to me and for the overwhelming endorsement of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the NDC in the books. We are on course with our recent Ghana agenda to ensure that Ghana regains its lost glory. I also want to thank the organizers for a good work done and all those who contributed in making this a success. This festival will continue to grow from strength to strength, and as it is an epitome of unity and consensus.
Eniya wuti ye eye Donatus Akamugri Atanga ono na ye Upper East Regional Minister na ne krakram na ye Joseph Dindiok ye Kwenga ono na ye former Deputy Attorney General sanso no ye Minister for Justice edi tu ja osanso ye otitinani edi ma ye afashe na omudie na oche se eye asumdue ne dia wo se eye mpanifo omudie omanim na gbomode ana omo kire se omo ankasa na omo pasumdie san se na omo ka opotoka sem se eye leaders must lead by example na chese omundi anim na so mo masumdue ne ba atimemfo no so be ma asumdue aba nti omo momode ana omo kasem omudwumade ne bibi omo ye no enkyere se nkabom e wo mo ntem.
And I personally, the need for peace, the need for unity, the need for tranquility, and the need for oneness, the need for togetherness, and the need for us to move forward as a people and let the checkered history become a thing of the past. Having heard everybody deliver the message of peace, as we depart from here, my word of advice as chairman of occasion is that we should put behind us theories and practicalize the speeches that we've delivered, and we would actually get to that land of unity we clamor for ourselves. As I told my brother Bernard Mona on the high table, one thing is clear. We have no choice than to make peace, because without saying we will not progress. The president can only help us if we are peaceful.
Eniya uti ye eye Joseph Dindiok eye Kwenga ono na ye former Deputy Attorney General and asanso ye Minister for Justice ana odi tu dwa se eye akandifo no nso enye enkyere eye nkabom se na be yatimemfo no nso ebetimi aka omo ho abom.
Yentu aka sebon se nyina mo ewo enkabo premanten yen kopiemu ewo odogono senior high school numika se no adisiafo ne ndo ada ebo mo ho atu mo digumontre so kyere mu se traffic lighter eno na wo eye awish ene enya kwantempo no so no apa traffic light ya sei bosum bebreni wonom aka ya de ampanifo tienti wonom entimi entonkoso etna disua demu ewo mra de hie bi ewu school for mofra ka se kyerem sem wo hwe mofra pa mo ya disuafo a ahyanya ku wo mo potem ho no ha dwenye pa wonom ka se na mu kyerem sem wonom aka sampo eya wonom security baako hyanya bone kuna to atwene kwa ewo mra opani onye obi abone bia nanso da bia da omo kasa mpanifo ntienti me kasa mo nkwatena disua dam enkonkosua de afoforo nso etimi enhwe omo nkwase kwa na ndra da na me kasa ya kire no ehye ase nenso omo tena aguso omo to aso na disuafo no nam montene so ma omade di koja kwa ba muti wo mo nsa ekirem se na ye nchede obi yala me kasa de hye nso omo wanya ene awosunsu de omo ho agim omo si kirem se school fu de amoyei emo de pasa no manam evisa Ghana mpanimfo ade ba ko so mani eyo ye kire age mutum hugu montene so moye dede ansa na yate munkanti de amoyei yate amachi pam na de sefo ne kire mu se says ya kwanya hodo wa faso ahyenkafo no duru ho no ma wono ba hu se traffic light ne nya dwumanti ene amerika tente se ni petwam se be ye den se be si san wono mo ntia se nti no ma twam se hwew na nipa ma tim ne yakuna to atwen ade sefo ne kire mu se da bidda every na komeko so ayo ye kire se akopum fiade de yanim se mpanifo antia omo nsan ko krasum kosua de bio omeko so ayo ye kire kopum bra mpanifo no ebetu omusufra be ye traffic light ne ntesa de a enya de ombetena se ne atena se tena akwakoso ne yekote ne ahodo betwagu ye mra na adusuafo no eyo ye kire no
DLFM 106.9.
Edwachi ene bi samsa na se sia ide mu yei aba ni se wantie na se koba se ne ye se traffic light no wa ma ya ma mu ade na mba na mu kirem se hwe na nka yenkotena se biem adesua anka ye begyan kura ye be koso ayo ye kire se akopem mra mpanifo betie su frente sa de a classroom onfa na ho kura
Omunye street lights anyway now. Yeah, we will not give you way to go to work and nobody will go anywhere. We will all be there.
Ai odogono senior high students na mo kanu ekwatempo no nkombe si no obi antwamu nkwa adwuma na emu nyina mo begina kwanim se be betimi aboa na traffic light na ase no empanifo atuma se de ma na wachi nso ena security fo nso mo school musu kirem se tabi o mankasa fefo ba ko ka abo na ku no empanifo anya ho hwenti no anama mo friend to mo ta mo achi omo so mo ye kire no etimi akoso mo de same say eto nsentwefo anim
na traffic light way asem more than 4 years and the drivers need to speed of the free market no anu ano om de be sen e de ko om ba cross stop om stop om nya kwampa bia mi tell all kwam no om nya kwampa tom de bobo atu ta motor riders
de bia ka ebun kwara wa ha de bia ka ebun kwara wa e de nsu no ya je de sen nya om fi enna na sen ya Collins e na ka abono
eni a woti ye aye security personnel omo wo eye Otokono senior high school num no mo kire mu se dabida enya de ombetena so mfefo ehyen yakuma monti wonom ati omagu montensa wonom eye ye kire yento akase bo no eso
Omampeli John Dramani Mahama abekasa echemu se yade ana aban behia beya 1.7 billion dollars and sana eya agenda 111 project na akano obetimi esiewie esan se eye 90% eya agenda 111 hospital no na eya banda de twam no ebe lanche ya omo kire se yade abebre na aka omo wieye na de omo be commission ye ne nso no yade empa ba kokrampo ensime wo se no nso no omoba modian no mutimi esiesie mu a o kire se eye religious body no esan so mu konhyiamu ewo Christian council ntino mo modian no mo modin embo modin se ne esebia se ne be yo betimi aboa eye NDC abai no ene ono John Dramani Mahama se ne be ya eye agenda 111 project no betimi awie esan se eye ade a oman no eba ya pomudi ho nsema hu hia ye papa ene ono so o hyebo se obebo modian na project yi watimi awie ede ama oman no.
When I was president, I made a statement that we're going to move to if the missions have a hospital in an area, we're not going to come and compete with the mission by building another hospital. We'd rather use the resources to improve the mission hospital so that they provide service. Unfortunately, that was not followed in Agenda 111. So there are many places where you have a mission hospital. We could have used that money to upgrade the facilities in the mission hospital. Government has gone to start a hospital, has not been able to finish it, and they are sitting there, some at foundation level, some at lintel level, and so many of them, almost 90 hospitals. We need 1.7 billion to be able to complete the hospitals. The one that they said they commissioned, there's nothing in it, just one hospital. They finished the structure, but there's not even a bed in the hospital. And so we discussed it a bit in cabinet, but the Minister of Health is going to come with a paper to see what we do. You know, I believe that if some of the missions are interested, we could get them to finish the hospital and manage the hospital and provide the service, you know, so that government too can find it to be a mix. We can also raise money and finish some, but the mission hospitals too can take some and complete them and run the hospital.
Eniya uti ye Omampeli John Dramani Mahama no chiema ya Adwoa Agyei Sikapa $1.7 billion and San Agenda 111 project no wetimi awie ni nyina.
Yɛmfa nkɔpiem ɛwɔ apiem antemu ne yɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ Atiwa East na meka sɛ Ghana National Fire Service ne krabata ɛwɔ Atiwa East ɛyɛ mensenem ɛwɔ apiem antemu aka sɛ kyerem sɛ meka sɛ no ɛkwan hodo nipa bi fa so etu fuma gudi akwati kwan so no mekyɛ liga man no ɛha wo dwumade a mudi ne wɔ apiem antem papa mu kyerem sɛ de akwa de mpanifo anfom nanse obedu baabi no ne man betuma yɛ den pa ɛde ama no ebisa mpanifo sɛ na wedie galamse nso ne fire service de tweka be na wom ana wonum twem se ne adehwa mo Atiwa East etu galamse no amuntu na kwaye mu bio afi na mo de aba fie we de fie ni fie ofi kire pe na etu galamse ni senti ama se jeto ba bi panam kodum na ekwanti ada wona nso emuna galamse fo na tuatu wonti ejam ko fa kwa tenten so nante sanse bedu ba bia eja na to no o kire me se bedu sampo na eja na be hye nipa na aje ne nkwa e de fata fo asase so omo kyerem se ohwa kwan ahodo wa galamsefo ne fa so essence ase ene amanfo fie ne omo tu galamse ne de ha adwinye pam dwumade omudi opie mantam no ne de ne dia kwakoya den ye pam na mamba amaden ene yensem training continue ko fie otwetwe kama opie mantam ene Atiwa East District Assembly Fire Commander Division Officer 2 DO2 Michael George Koda kyerem se ehu behia pa se sai liga man ye kwaso opie mantam no empenfo do na besi so na tuatumi atwafisa sɛ de yɛkɔ no emu ɛyɛ pam wakasa kyerɛ me sɛ mo wansase mo maden sɛ gya modi mo obi a mo hwɛ ne hyehyɛ so ofisa sɛ de yɛkɔ nanse no ɛnkɔ nkan sɛ obi na do masase ama no na ɔde tufum agudie na wɔsɛe efie ne ade a ɛnɛ so ba ne sɛ ne kɔbrane atufum agudie wɔ ɛte sɛ de yɛmfitiri o kyerɛ sɛ de yɛkɔ no enkon kan kram odi se wadi to dwa emra mbo moden epa wonu mu finsi aduasa ba ko eye dwumadi a wonu pa ho ntoma mbo moden a eye ncheche dwumadie yade ma Ghana de shima nyina titi na pie man tese betimi aboa ne ja hwehwe ahodo ekwa kwaso wo ya fie mu no kwa be foto bebo ya ho ban ne ja hwehwe entimi tretre o ka se na o kire mi se hu benya pa se galamse no eto betumi atwa nte se de odum jadwuma ko bedu ba bi mpo ye kwa kodum gya na bi fie ya tu galamse nti na mperifo anya kwan ankodum ne ntem odi nsem sei ede to di ye ka se bo enim
Galamsey is no, and yes, almost try to your life. However, no, almost try to your jumano. The meaning is that once a baby say a ja a to baby sana. Sometimes a quite be fat a diaco a hono, a be a galamsey ano, what to be a daichi, a yenya wine and coho, yenya a wine and coho. It is sao nyama omuyano, and ma a high and soup because say a yak wine uncle rescue. Obi ana ankobua obi ntema akwai say ye juma enti emi say so mutumi agya sa nyama na ebeboa ye nyina ya ne America che asasi rafo ana landlord association ni say ese omusu omumbua ne ye nyina ye den ye magana entumpu ama omuton omasasi basabasa ema galamsey yefo omko oma ese omutumi homu asana omu ye den omutumi ama asasi say omu ye den omutu galamsey because baby wo ho a man so no nkura se eso mutu galamsey ba bebi so wo a o ma ye no se o metu we mine ana o metu agudi o enti eso mu fa kwan paso ne o munye we ba o mu jai se o me de o beto nsase no ema especially illegal mine for no
ne kura mo no ena DO2 George Koda o ga do chire me se afi odwumadi o mu di ye no na asem titira that's one say fire safety, the pillar for national development and foundation for our security. And o chirem sa de ba kwa ba bo ne se ni betima da ne ho so ne eja ya boye ho ba evise ja hye no afi we edi nimpa wu pa okroma ya mmomaden ama ya ne ama ye ho so a e ba ha dwenye pa na dwumadie no won ba moden etimi nante eye principal street ewo enyinam echinchine ye ba ho moden eye nterekere e de ma de hwa mo wo atiwa is important ho nya se betimi aboa na o mada o mo ho so ewo ja hye mum DO2 George Koda kase no san chirem sem se jeto ba bi pa e kakase ya bano nya sim kuma abambo no homaden atam Ghana sika na de koma nipa no ana afin se dwa hodo agate om nyina se monje na momfa ente e kan se bi o chirem se wo nyina ye sika hodo bi a e kwakwa emmoa o ma no efri se ye boye ho ban ne ja hye tutumi twa sa sika we ye betuma akoye adwuma mfa so atumi abaso a Ghana fo ma ye ni na ho ne ja hye no eto entimi ntwa na adwuma de we mu no Ghana Post Service ekopie mu Ghana National Ambulance for Service Kobim and a Ghana Immigration Service Enquires and a junior high school sa aye ewo apie ayana sa eye etiwa East Potamo nyina mo fa nyina ko bia dwumade ne kanika pana no so na DO2 George Michael Koda edin sem sei edoto ensem training kontehene Kofi Obo enim
team ni fire safety the pillar of national development and foundation of our security.
Botaya ye kwa outside ni say.
Botaya di kwa outside ni say ye ko na ya de ya church nkofo ya create awareness say na ombe hu say niam bi ayeye a enye no ye be jai na omuso mbua say ye nyina no ye be bua community no say na eja basa emba because eja eshi emprebebre sa na ha economy no so afi na ban beba say omba be so oman anan ana omba be ma omo bebi na sa omo yesa so a sika o ehwe aban fancy hospital ana on fancy school ni ade no ni nyina be ko eho enti no ombua se na ye nyina no ye be free enti na ye kwa bontin de a ye ko chechromu no mu hu ne a ye so mu ye ni ne am enye so mu ye
ani awoti ye ukopie mo ewo etiwa East District Assembly no na ye fire commander ne den the division officer 2 ana se DO2 Michael George Koda ena wote ni amani boy yen sam training kontin Kofi Obo ena de beso wi na ye gina we so ya dan ye ho ye ba kase body aka kire bekin kare nyina da e de asomo
Makwantu hunsam eye medadwen nanso me yensam tro ne nti menya adagye ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adagye ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi britia wabi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechiri. Ma menchira wo mo echiri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station honomo a. Free number 0244-291546. Email address nso samuel626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, free wonom na unsu bedi adanse media.
Yamamo akwaba afi yanko Facebook no so e ne yanke ka Ghana fo adwenkyere na mode aba no ebi yanhya se efri ni se wei efri Pedrowa ana wo kire mi say the best news or see we the news ne mo the pass no manam otian live edi free Indianapolis Kumasi Tano so Kesben Junction ya da se pass ni say won so oka ye ho di free Kumasi piaga na wo kire mi say also when you mention President Kufo, you hear National Health Insurance. As for Nanado, it's about free SHS. As for Mahama, all you hear is doom so. Simple. Richard, I heard what you say. Good afternoon, goes to you. Pentecost said attack radical joke from trouble with the Shekon Crown, Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy Adwoa Agyei Sikapa Kwadwo Vazde. Oh, James Akase remote the partner and DJ Ghanaman Fridi so. Oh, go to the station one in Yale, DLFM and next. Senior Yada, Pasa, wants to be ada. Oh, can you home? Oh, go to the station honum. Coffee Parliament, which say, oh, Galamse people. The painful thing is that our own people destroy our land. Watching live from Akunabo Bikuma Upper. Yeah, that's the any young of winning post. Say, Adwoa Beka, I know from Tumum. Baba Mahama was no team say. The way people are doing illegal mining in Ashanti region. As if the world would end tomorrow. Hey, Adanko Dada Dre government. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a pa. Kasi aboni yebuni komu say pon ya de nyina de asi. Ayasa na babu mi komu ba papa mi sume visa ya bre no. Asokra na kofi. Asa ba so na bo amiem. Ne yemfa woda kese we. Yemfa woda we birthday kese we no. Emfa ma eyem panimfo ne hu hia ye pa manya. Wa hwe na de ombe mfia ha no. Wa hwe amegime hu ba bibia nya de ebetimi age kra entiwei yenko eye epiem antemu ne yenko kopiem ewa ne yankase amani boni kontenhene kofi obo ene wo kire mi se ne mikasa kopiem ewa ye epiem antemu a eye Eastern Regional Policy Commission wanu manager ne den Ademester Isaac Nebo Eshon o kire mi se ne na wodanti the staff of the Eastern Regional Policy Commission led by Zakia Sheila, with their regional manager, Mr. Isaac Noble Esen, a very wonderful and blissful birthday. Also, I wish him a long life and good health and more years ahead. And to wait, every Adwoa for me, Adwoa, our Eastern Regional Policy Commission for us, yeah, Odi Omanim, Zakia Sheila, and what let me say. On my Jumayakoni nyina e dia woda kese de ma regional manager Mr. Isaac Noble Eshon se na wa wode de Yankopon hira wo no mpagya onya kese pam a woda no enye soronko tini kofi obonso se na wa woda nti Yankopon hira mo a woda no enye kese pa emfama hwe na agina we so ne yakase bo de nyina de asi kase bom se mufo no eye maze mebe entry ene se mu e de ma yen komite de ekopem Facebook zakenka fo nso ya mienu edi ameje so eye takwade Kwadwo krom to be wo de hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, Osman Adwoa Sikapa betnas no de dia adwumadie no atodwuma de amabode akwasa fidie no enna ha na ne nyina da eye radio mu ya santo a dia la wa no ambomete se yesi obi e ba panyu odi breaking ni virginity kofia na meboa aha ene de ebia na nya baako nti monkoso antwen na Adwoa Sikapa ne se Sikapa kura me se wo de ne kura me se so mpese obeka e ma mu nyina mo eni tia adehye